Hello, today I will guide you on how to reset apps and programs in Windows 11. Step 1. Open App Settings. Click the search icon on the taskbar and type Settings. Open the Settings app from the left-hand menu, click Apps, then click Installed Apps. Now scroll through the list or search for the app that's having issues. Click the three dots beside it and choose Advanced Options. Step 2. Try Repair or Reset. In the Advanced Options window, scroll down to the Reset section. First, try clicking Repair. This option attempts to fix the app without deleting any data, so it's the safest first step. If repairing doesn't fix the issue, then click Reset. This will delete all app data, including preferences and sign-in details, returning the app to its original state. Not all apps have the reset or repair options. For example, Google Chrome, Firefox, or other third-party programs won't appear with these options. You'll need to reset them via their internal settings or by reinstalling the app. Resetting will delete saved app data if the app stores important settings or requires login. Be prepared to sign in again after resetting. After repairing or resetting the app, it's recommended to restart your computer. This ensures that all changes are applied properly. And that's it. After following these steps, the app should be working again. If not, consider reinstalling it completely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.